Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Step inside this extraordinary Santa Monica residence valued at $10,750,000, where ocean horizons and mountain silhouettes come together in one of Southern California's most coveted coastal neighborhoods. From the moment you arrive, the home feels intentionally composed to celebrate light, space, and views, with a quiet sense of confidence that defines true luxury. The architecture balances contemporary elegance with warm, livable comfort, creating an environment that feels both refined and welcoming. As you approach the front entry, clean lines, natural materials, and subtle landscaping frame the home, setting the tone for what lies beyond the doors. As you step inside, the first sensation is openness. Natural light flows in from every direction, reflecting off soft neutral tones and carefully chosen textures. Floor, ceiling glass immediately draws your attention outward, offering a glimpse of the Pacific Ocean in one direction and the Santa Monica Mountains in the other. This home is designed to keep you visually connected to its surroundings at all times, making nature feel like an extension of the interior. The entry transitions seamlessly into the main living spaces, where wide, plank hardwood floors ground the home with warmth and continuity. The primary living room is expansive yet intimate, defined by clean architectural lines rather than walls. Plush seating arrangements invite conversation, while a sleek fireplace adds both visual interest and a cozy atmosphere for cooler coastal evenings. Every angle of the room has been carefully considered to preserve sightlines to the views beyond. Large sliding glass doors dissolve the boundary between inside and out, allowing the ocean breeze to flow effortlessly through the space. This is a room designed not just to be admired, but to be lived in every day. Adjacent to the living room, the dining area offers an elegant setting for both casual meals and formal gatherings. Positioned strategically to take advantage of the scenery, the dining table sits beneath contemporary lighting that adds a sculptural element without overpowering the space. Whether hosting an intimate dinner or a lively celebration, the backdrop of blue water and distant hills elevates every moment. The open layout ensures that the dining space feels connected to the rest of the home while still maintaining its own identity. The kitchen is a showpiece, blending high-performance functionality with refined design. Custom cabinetry in soft, modern finishes provides ample storage while maintaining a clean, uncluttered aesthetic. Premium appliances are seamlessly integrated, offering professional-grade performance without disrupting the visual flow. A large central island anchors the space, serving as both a workspace and a social hub. It's easy to imagine mornings spent here with coffee and sunlight streaming in, as well as evenings entertaining friends while the sky transforms outside. From the kitchen, the home continues to unfold into additional living areas designed for relaxation and versatility. A secondary lounge offers a more casual environment, perfect for movie nights or quiet afternoons. Built-in shelving and thoughtful lighting add depth and character without overwhelming the space. Throughout the home, the design language remains consistent, blending modern simplicity with inviting warmth. As you move through the home, attention to detail becomes increasingly apparent. Subtle architectural elements, carefully selected finishes, and a cohesive color palette create a sense of harmony from room to room. The home's layout feels intuitive, guiding you naturally toward private spaces without ever feeling segmented. This balance between openness and privacy is one of the property's most impressive qualities. The primary suite is a true retreat, positioned to capture some of the most breathtaking views in the entire home. Waking up here means starting each day with natural light and uninterrupted vistas of ocean and sky. The bedroom itself is generously proportioned, allowing for comfortable seating areas in addition to the sleeping space. Soft textures and calming tones encourage relaxation, turning this room into a sanctuary away from the energy of daily life. The ensuite bathroom rivals those found in luxury resorts. Designed with spa-inspired elements, it features a freestanding soaking tub placed to take advantage of the views, transforming even the simplest routines into indulgent experiences. A spacious walk-in shower, dual vanities with custom finishes, and carefully selected fixtures complete the space. Every element has been chosen to create a sense of calm and sophistication, making this bathroom as beautiful as it is functional. The walk-in closet is equally impressive, offering abundant space and bespoke storage solutions. Thoughtfully designed lighting and organization ensure that everything has its place, while maintaining a refined, boutique-like atmosphere. It's a space that reflects the overall philosophy of the home: luxury through thoughtful design rather than excess. Additional bedrooms throughout the property continue this theme, each offering generous proportions, ample natural light, and views that make every room feel special. These spaces are perfectly suited for family members or guests, providing comfort and privacy without sacrificing style. Bathrooms connected to these rooms are finished to the same high standard, ensuring a consistent experience throughout the home. Beyond the main living areas, the home includes flexible spaces that adapt to a variety of lifestyles. A dedicated office provides a quiet environment for work or creative pursuits, with inspiring views that make productivity feel effortless. There may also be a fitness or wellness area, allowing for exercise and relaxation without ever leaving the comfort of home. These spaces add to the property's sense of completeness, ensuring that it meets the needs of modern living. One of the most compelling features of this Santa Monica home is the way it embraces outdoor living. Expansive terraces and balconies extend the interior spaces outward, creating multiple areas to enjoy the mild coastal climate. Whether it's a morning yoga session overlooking the mountains or an evening gathering with friends as the sun sets over the ocean, these outdoor areas are designed to be used year-round. The main outdoor entertaining space is particularly impressive, offering ample room for dining, lounging, and socializing. Thoughtful landscaping provides a sense of privacy while still allowing the views to remain the focal point. The transition between interior and exterior is seamless, making it easy to move between the two during gatherings or everyday life. As daylight fades, the home takes on an entirely new character. Carefully designed lighting highlights architectural features and creates a warm, inviting ambience throughout the property. The city lights begin to glow in the distance, while the sound of the ocean provides a constant, soothing presence. It's at this moment that the home truly reveals its magic, offering a sense of tranquility that's rare in such a vibrant location. The location itself adds another layer of value to this exceptional property. Santa Monica is known for its blend of coastal beauty, cultural energy, and refined lifestyle. From world-class dining and shopping to pristine beaches and scenic hiking trails, everything you could want is just moments away. Yet despite its proximity to the city's attractions, the home feels like a private retreat, offering peace and seclusion high above it all. What truly sets this $10,750,000 home apart is its ability to balance luxury with livability. Every space has been designed with intention, ensuring that beauty and comfort go hand in hand. This is not a home meant to be admired from afar. It's meant to be experienced, enjoyed, and lived in fully. As you take one last look around, it becomes clear that this residence is more than just a property. It's a lifestyle defined by breathtaking views, thoughtful design, and an unparalleled connection to its surroundings. A place where mornings begin with sunlight over the mountains and evenings end with the ocean stretching endlessly into the horizon. This Santa Monica home represents the very best of coastal luxury living, offering a rare opportunity to own a piece of California at its most inspiring.